भाई तू great है. Now before you guys get excited that the biggest bhai from Bollywood be coming and joining us, I'm sorry to disappoint you on that front. So this is again a story from my past. I was always the odd man out. So in my group of friends, so we had five of us, out of which four of them became engineers, and I was the only doctor. So in a way, we had four engineers and a doctor. Around the same time that we had started doing this, a movie came out in Hollywood called The Four Weddings and a Funeral. And I was just wondering whether God is giving me a hint about my future. And then we continued our studies. So I was in my 13th year of my medical education. So I was nearly reaching the end of my super specialty. And it was the birthday of one of my engineering friends. So after his engineering, he had pursued MBA from one of the prestigious IIMs and then had joined a company and was doing pretty well. So I called him on his birthday. I wished him the best for his birthday and for the future, and then asked him about his whereabouts. So he told me that he was enjoying a vacation in Switzerland at that point of time with his family. And as we were talking, thoughts started emanating in my mind. And looking at my own circumstances, where I was and what I was doing, I suddenly felt whether that prophecy the movie had made, The Four Weddings and a Funeral, was it actually coming true? So at that point of time, I was in a hostel. I was living in a small little room. It was around 10 feet by 10 feet. It could just about contain a small bed and a study table. And both these things were filled with books. I was living in that kind of a circumstances at that point of time. And the best thing was I had the common toilet just across the room. So the moment I opened the room, what I had as a view was that. So these were the things that were going on in my mind when he told me something, but suddenly changed my point of view. In our conversation, the next thing that he tells me was, Sunil, tu great hai. Suddenly, I wondered, what is so great happening with me around here? Now, if you ask a neutral bystander to compare our lives and truly ask who's doing great, I'm 100% sure everybody would point towards him and say he is doing really well. There's no doubt about that. But the man had thought about what he was saying and then he justified it. So my friend tells me that you're great because in school, around 15 to 17 years ago, you had told me that you want to be a neurosurgeon and you're about to be one. So that is truly remarkable and great. That's when I realized it's not about me doing neurosurgery, which was great at all. It was a fact that I wanted to be a neurosurgeon. I dreamt about being one, and today I was all set to achieve it. So what he liked was that fact that I was trying to live my dream. So that is when I realized how powerful a dream can be, not for yourself, but even in the perception of what you are. A dream, if you really think about it, gives you hope. And this hope really blurs your reality into something really beautiful in the future. So what we really need in today's times is nothing but hope. So corona or no corona, dream zarur corona. And one thing you can do is pick up the phone, call up your friend who you think is pursuing his dream and tell him, Bhai tu great hai. Thank you.